Hey everybody, this is my pony, OC I guess, and I'm Kaiti Crafted, or I spelled my last name wrong, on here at least, and this is the pony that I will be going by in my videos. Also, I'll be doing a video channel. My videos will be called How It Works, How It Doesn't Work, my reviewing channel. This is kind of like a welcome to my channel video, I guess you could call it. And I guess this is the first video I'll be doing, and the main thing that I like to do is the how it works, which I'll be going into more detail about in a minute. And basically, those are the three types of videos that I want to have. I might have update videos or some other stuff, but the main thing of the how it works is what it is basically I take a theory, if I were to take a theory from the internet or something, and the theory that I make up normally won't be mine, just a heads up, and I'll take that theory and I'll describe how it works or how it doesn't work, and hopefully I can create that video today, upload it as well as this. But that's really all for now. I guess I might be adding more different things to my Pony NPC, or OC I mean, but that's really all today, for now at least, and I'll try to update my channel normally every day at least, and tell you what's going on, hopefully, so you don't get worried. But I don't expect this channel to get very big, but I hope it does. And just a heads up also, all the music that I use, if I do use, it's not mine, it's just music I have either picked, and I'll also put whose it is if it's a certain thing that I bought on iTunes, and hopefully my videos don't get taken down because of it. And I will tell you who it is and whatever, so you can check out the music. But other than that, that's about it, and I'll try to upload my first How It Works video. So, okay, see ya!